Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log in Costco Citi Card account. It is a very simple step. For that, make sure you open one preferred web browser. Here I am opening Google Chrome. Now at the search bar, you can simply search citi.com and press enter. You will be now directly lead to this page. And at the right side, you can see this login portfolio where you need to enter your credentials in order to log into your account. Now firstly, you need to enter your user ID. After that, you need to enter your password. Now in case if you want to be remembered for the next time you log in, then you can click on this option. In case if you have forgotten your user ID or your password, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to recover it. But in case if you haven't registered or created yourself Costco Citi Card account, then you can click on this option and they will be guiding you further to register it. Now in case if your credentials are ready, then you can simply click on this option and you will be successfully logged into your Costco Citi Card account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.